Good morning, guys. So this is another day. Not great weather, as you can see. We have to come out in our jackets. Say hello, George.
Hello, George.
So me and George are on the way to the hospital. I have to drop off a sample.
I get shaved today.
He shaved. Yeah, he was going to grow his beard, but he messed up and had to shave it all off. So I think he should grow it back. What do you guys think? Comment below. So I'm thinking. I'm going to the hospital to drop off a sample, which is apparently an hour's journey away. So, yeah, guys. So I've actually just left George. He's carried on the tube. He's gone over to the place where he used to be when he used to be homeless. So I've carried on. I just have to catch a train now. Sorry, a bus now. Just have to catch a bus now, and then I'll near enough be there. So catch you in a bit. What's up, guys? So I've just actually gone in the hospital, dropped off my sample, and taken a blood test. I hate injections and needles and stuff so much. Here's what's left of my arm. So yeah, I'm just gonna go back home, and I guess I'll see you there unless something interesting happens. I have to go back to work also. Straight after, so I have to quickly take the videos off my phone, quickly give it a bit of a charge. Maybe have something to eat and then go back to work. So I'll see you either then, unless something interesting happens. Looks like somebody might be in some trouble.
Roman Road.
What's up, guys? So I made it back home. I just need to now get ready quickly and go to work. I just thought I'd do this in front of you guys, so I know how much you all enjoy ripping off plasters and things. And should I do it slowly or do it fast? Do it fast. Can't even get it. Ah! Ouch. Some fluff. What is up, guys? So again, I've just finished work. I've come back. I'm about to go and have something to eat. I've just been trying to catch up again on my vlogs, catching up on another vlog that I watch, and yeah, I realise that I'm spending far too much time on the computer, so I'm going to start doing some things a bit more active. So any ideas would be amazing, really. Preferably stuff that won't cost me a load of money, at least for now. So yeah, any ideas, comment below. What is up, guys? So I've just been on the internet, doing my vlog, editing, and I'm really getting the hang of it. I'm almost caught up now. Literally, I've got, I think it's 2 more to edit, altogether 4 more to upload. I'm in the middle of uploading one now. And then I'm caught up, and then I can just concentrate on 1 vlog a day and spend more time on actually getting good footage for you guys, maybe getting good ideas to do more regularly instead of being stuck in this room all the time. So yeah, it's again a learning process, and I am looking forward to developing it more, getting used to it all more, and yeah, so it's good. Anyway, I'm tired, it is late, so I'm going to end the vlog there, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and remember, just relax. I'll see you later, guys. God bless. Good night.